Hi, welcome to a video on CCTV system accessories. CCTV system is a tailor-made solution. You can buy components and put it together to suit your requirement. Apart from the main components, there are other parts that you might require to complete the installation of your CCTV system. In this video, let's talk about some of the important accessories that you might need. PVC box. A 4x4 inch PVC box is used at the camera end to secure the connectors from dust and moisture. Sometimes, if it is a lightweight camera, you can even mount the camera on the box. Network rack or DVR rack. CCTV system is to do with security. Therefore, it would be better that it is kept under lock and key to avoid unauthorized access. A network rack or DVR box is a metal enclosure that has a lock and key provision, and it is mounted on the wall, so it does save a lot of space and looks neat. Camera mounts. Sometimes you need special brackets to mount the camera in various places like a pole or an outer wall, etc. The dome camera sometimes needs to be mounted on the wall vertically as shown in the image. The bracket used here is a L-type bracket. There are other such brackets available for various applications. Just go through the accessories product page of our website to know more. Camera housing. When the cameras are mounted outdoor, you can use these housing to protect the camera from external damages. HDMI or a VGA cable. When you plan your CCTV system, the place where you mount the display need not be near the recorder. So based on the distance between the recorder and the display, you need VGA or HDMI cable that are available in various lengths to connect them, like 2 meter, 5 meter, 10 meter, 15 meter, etc. HDMI splitter. Most of the recorders have one HDMI port to be connected to a display. What if you want to use multiple displays in different locations? That's when a HDMI splitter comes into play. You can split one HDMI out into 2, 4, 8 or even more outputs. This enables you to have multiple displays for a single recorder. Similarly, there are so many accessories that are available for CCTV systems based on application. Please visit the accessories product page in our website www.agscctv.com to know more, or to talk to our CCTV experts if you have any specific questions. Thanks for watching.